Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to merge cells and also wrap text in Excel. Okay, so if you want to merge cell and wrap text in Microsoft Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have written a text in B2, okay, B4, okay, and you will see that it is like this. Okay, it is not readable. Now we have to make it readable. So what you have to do, you have to merge cells and also wrap text. So I want to cover all this cell, okay, B4, C4, D4, E4, F4 and G4. Okay, I want to merge all these cells. So what you have to do, you have to just select all the cell, okay, which you want to merge. Then here you will see merge and center option. Now you have to click on it and click on merge across. Okay, now again it is not readable and you will see some part of the text is hidden. Okay, so what you have to do now, again select all the cell, then go to wrap text option. Here you will see wrap text option in the home. Okay, now click on wrap text. Okay, now you will see it is not readable still, so you have to just increase the row height. Okay, increase row height. Now you will see all the text is readable. Now what you have to do, you have to again, here you will see alignment. Okay, beside wrap text you will see alignment. You have to just click on middle alignment. Okay, so like this you can align, merge cell and wrap text in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.